Welcome to the Crogl Explainer video. Watch this video first before you watch the subsequent deep dive videos. Every security operations team faces the same math problem. Alerts keep growing, analyst headcount stays flat, and at some point, the queue gets so deep that most of it just never gets investigated. SIMs give you visibility, but they do not investigate. SOAR automates the things that you've already seen, but falls short on anything new. AI copilots give your analyst a better search box. None of that solves the core problem. There are too many alerts and not enough hours to work them. The answer is not to replace SOC investigators with AI. The answer is to empower them. Pass off the time-consuming searches and evidence gathering to the AI, leave the judgment calls and gut checks to the humans. That is what Crogl is built for. Crogl is AI for enterprise security. It investigates alerts and hunts threats the way a skilled analyst would. Crogl operates in two modes. In headless mode, you can send tickets to it programmatically, and it will run a full investigation across your connected systems, and write its findings back to your case management platform. False positives get closed and documented, real threats get escalated with a complete evidence package, then analysts review results and make the call. In workbench mode, analysts work with Crogl directly. They ask questions in natural language, investigate specific alerts, run threat hunts, and build full context without pivoting across 5 different consoles. In both modes, every query, every inference, every determination is logged. You can trace any determination back to the source data. A few things make Crogl fundamentally different. First, it runs in your environment. 2 binaries and a container, deployed on-premise, in the cloud, or fully air-gapped. You control the system, the data, and the AI model. Second, your data stays where it is. No normalization, no ingestion pipelines. Crogl connects to your existing tools via API and HTTP. It builds a knowledge graph of where everything lives and queries it natively. If data is missing, Crogl flags it as an investigation gap instead of letting the LLM guess. Third, you bring your own LLM. Connect Crogl to a public frontier model like Claude or OpenAI, and you control your own token spend directly with that provider. Or run a model on bare metal in your own infrastructure and leave the token question behind entirely. Either way, Crogl is a flat license. The AI costs are yours to control. Fourth, Crogl is driven by skills. Skills are the instructions that tell Crogl how to investigate, what to look for, and how to report findings. Think of them as runbooks written for an AI analyst. A large library of skills is available covering alert triage, threat hunting, phishing, lateral movement, and more. And because you own the platform, your team can build new skills with Crogl's Skill Builder using natural language. No filing a vendor feature request and waiting for it to come off the roadmap. Let's take a look at a few customer examples. A regulated electric utility runs Crogl on top of its existing Sentinel, CrowdStrike, and Nozomi deployment. Analyst time per alert dropped 75% and investigation throughput tripled with the same lean SOC team. A Fortune 100 global financial institution deployed Crogl in its Fusion Center, inside its existing Splunk, Cribble, Tines, and ServiceNow stack. Triage time down more than 70%, every alert documented in ServiceNow, 2 very different environments, same outcome, complete investigations, every alert, every shift. Crogl doesn't replace the analyst. Crogl gives every analyst on your team the depth of your most experienced one. Crogl handles the investigation, the analyst makes the call. That is AI for the enterprise SOC. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video. Please feel free to join our community or to try Crogl for free today, or why not both? Scan the QR code or go to the link listed on the screen.